Monitoring temperature is crucial to ensuring the efficient and safe operation of critical energy and industrial production assets. Out-of-range temperatures can cause severe damage to machinery, compromise the quality of processes, and even pose safety risks. microTEMP Intrinsically Safe by Sensor Networks are wireless single-point temperature sensors for pipes, tanks, and vessels of all sizes that allow for direct temperature monitoring. microTEMP is specifically designed for use in Zone 0 hazardous locations, providing a safe and reliable solution in such environments. Operating via 900 MHz LoRaWAN, microTEMP wirelessly sends data directly to a gateway, increasing the sensor's battery life and enhancing connectivity. Once installed, each gateway can support over 1,000 sensors and reach distances over 1 mile. Installation takes less than 10 minutes per sensor, and the system can scale easily by adding new sensors at any time. Each microTEMP sensor measures and records temperature data and time, storing the information in internal memory. Data is transmitted every 12 readings to WebPIM software for database storage, trending, and analysis. WebPIMs can alert users if a received temperature exceeds user-defined limits via email or text messaging. Facilities that are adopting temperature monitoring are cutting down on manual inspection and, as a result, extending useful life of assets and decreasing safety hazards. Work smarter by embracing monitoring with microTEMP temperature sensors.